kala'au sticks. And this is called Ilunala. It's a beautiful world. We talk about we're lucky to live here today, especially on Molokai and in this world. So we start with the kala'au stick. Makaukau, ai ilunala iluna pa. Iluna, ilunala, ilunala, namanu o kaleva. Ilunala, ilunala, namanu o kaleva pa. Ilalola, ilalola, na pua o ka honua. And down below upon the earth the flowers grow. Flowers grow, pop. Ikai, ikaila, ikaila, na ia o ka moana. Ikaila, ikaila, na ia o ka moana pa. Haina, haina mai ka puana la, ahena ni ke aone. Haina mai ka puana la, ahena ni ke aone pa. He inoa no ke au nani. Oh, mahalo. Put your stick.